Hello, this is Jeremiah with DubsNBikes, the channel that's dedicated to classic Volkswagens and vintage collectible bicycles. Last time, we scanned this little car and put it into a game engine. So I wanted to do something totally different and scan the taillight of my 1937 Western Flyer badge Shelby bicycle. Last time we used Shining 3D's Einstar camera, and this time we'll be using Shining 3D's Einstar Vega camera. So it's a very different camera, brand new to the market, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. So sit back and enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. What's all this crap? Alright, gonna move it. Boom! There it is. Let's open that up, and inside we've got, here's a little mascot. They provide it to scan small objects. I believe he's an Eagle astronaut. Pretty cool. Here is a USB-C charger with 2 ports. It's good for charging your phone too, super fast. And a leash so you don't drop the thing. Underneath the case is a plastic piece. It's a calibration board holder, and it holds your calibration board at the proper angle. Here we go. Here's the Einstar Vega case. It's like the Einstar case, only it's got an Einstar Vega in it. As you'll see, inside we've got a USB-C cord, both ends. We've got this tripod. It's really heavy duty. It's mostly metal. The legs will open up to 90 degrees. It's a little fussy, but feels really good. In this compartment, we've got a packing list and 2 sets of calibration dots. Alright. Behind there is a sneak compartment. This is your calibration board. It's 2-sided. So make sure you notice that it's 2-sided. And we'll put all the stuff away because what you want to see is this. This is your Einstar Vega. Einstar Vega is a all-in-one 3D scanner. It's got USB-C on the side. It's got 2 buttons on the right. It's got tripod mount on the bottom, OLED display, and a bunch of camera gizmos to scan your object with. We're just gonna turn this on so you can see the nice screen. That's some fluff. That's not a dead pixel. There we go. That's real pretty. So I like that a lot. And yeah, here it's already started up and it's ready to start scanning things. So it's got a dark mode. You can turn it on and off. But yeah, it's ready to go. So we'll turn this off and let's go scan the taillight. As you can see, this thing's in really bad condition, so let's get it off and let's go print us a new one. Alright, I'm not sure how to get this off. These look like rivets, so maybe it's just riveted on. So here, I'll get, I guess I'll just start in there. This stuff cuts really well, actually. You wouldn't think so, but... Oh, you know what? There's a screw on the top. So, let's just unscrew that. There we go. Cool. We'll get that thing fixed up in no time. And there we have it. Nice bicycle taillight that glows in the dark. How cool is that? I want to thank Shining 3D for sending me their Einstar Vega. I really like the form factor of the device. It has a screen on the back of it and it has a computer built in, so it's super portable. I couldn't have done it without their help. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time here on Dubs and Bikes.